Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is FRITTATA. Today I will be showing you how to make coconut rice. So the first thing is to do is to add oil into your pot, which I did. So the oil I added, I use it to fry my chicken. So now I'm gonna add my rice. The reason why I add this rice, I want it to be brown a little bit before I can start cooking it. So as you can see, the rice is brown, so it's not that white, so I just wanted it to be brown a little. So now this is my coconut milk, which I'm going to add to it. So I just add a little water to rinse coconut milk out from the container. So now I'm going to add my stock. I use it to cook my meat, my chicken. So I'm just going to add the stock into it and just stir it together. So this is my crayfish, my pepper, my fish and my onion. So I'm just going to pop everything into the pot. So I added a little curry there. As you can see, I put curry powder. So I forget to show it in the video. Sorry about that. So I will just use my foil to cover it. So I will put the stove for a very low heat so we don't overcook, so that it will not burn. So I'm gonna check to see if the rice is soft. So it's not ready. I'm gonna cover it back. While I wait for the rice to get soft, this is my coconut oil. So I'm just gonna put the coconut oil into my fry pan and make it hot. While the oil is hot, I put my vegetable. So now I'm gonna just because it's so best So I'm going to transfer the vegetable into my rice. So just put it together and mix it. So I'm still gonna cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, my rice is ready. This is my coconut rice. Very easy to make, simple. If you have not tried it this way, please do so. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Love you. Bye.